Suit's too small on this fatso.
You motherfucker.
What, Tom?
He was wearing a wire. When he came to the party, he already had the suit on. Hey, look at this.
Oh, you been walking around like that?
Who's some Salvation Army kettles now?
Kevin, go make me a sandwich.
Okay, Dad.
He's a method actor. Get into character like Al.
It was you, Fredo.
Look at that. Don't even need a pillow.
Hey, watch the suit.
Hey, you can't make a joke? What are you, Mr. Sensitive over here?
Let's see. Ashtray.
Tony, this problem with the red tag garbage dumping in Payton City.
Fucking Christmas. He wants to talk about medical waste.
Just want to double check that the way is paid for us to go down there. We reached out to the EPA guy like we told Barone.
That reminds me, Tony. Dick called this morning.
I'm fucking talking to Stop fucking interrupting.
Oh! Fuck is wrong with you?
Fuck you.
Hey, take it easy. Tom.
What's the matter with you?
Fuck with you.
Jesus Christ. Oh, it's as cold as your sister's tit out there.
Go see Santa. Right this way.
Ho, 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 ho. Merry Christmas. Come on in, children. Don't be afraid.